His name is Peter, a 30-year-old climber. That day, he climbed the mountain alone.
No, the mountain erupted. The sky is dark. Maybe it will rain.
The mountain began to speak, but Peter remained silent.
That is not rain. That is an eruption. What is that? What? That is a dragon.
Hurry, before the mountain erupts.
You came to save me.
Be careful if you are going up the mountain.
What's your name?
My name is Blue Dragon, Kenzo.
Thank you, Kenzo, for saving me.
You're welcome, Peter.
In the next episode, the story of the meeting of two golden scale dragons.
Why are you kind to help humans?
If we have power, we should help the weak.
If this channel shows good for you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.